Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are making Christmas ornaments with cardboard and book pages and some tiny little mirrors that I picked up at the dollar store. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say Merry Christmas. Are you ready? Let's make some vintage book page Christmas ornaments. You can find tiny mirrors at the dollar store. If not, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can pick them up. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.